Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken yakitori. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skin-on chicken thighs, which are perfect for their juiciness. For the tear sauce, combine 1/4 cup each of soy sauce, mirin, and sake, plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. This simple yet flavorful marinade is key to authentic yakitori, providing that signature glaze. Now, let's prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken thighs into roughly 1-inch cubes. This size ensures they cook evenly and fit well on the skewers. Soak your bamboo skewers in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent burning. Then, thread 3 to 4 chicken pieces onto each skewer, leaving a small space between each piece for better heat circulation. It's time to grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the skewers on the grill, turning them every few minutes. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes total, or until the chicken is cooked through and slightly charred. During the last 2 minutes, generously baste the yakitori with your reserved tear sauce, allowing it to caramelize beautifully. Your delicious chicken yakitori is ready. Serve it hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi for a little kick. Yakitori is wonderful on its own or alongside a simple bowl of rice. Don't hesitate to get creative. You can also skewer other ingredients like green onions or bell peppers, or even try different cuts of chicken for unique flavors. Enjoy your homemade Japanese treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.